Will wheel spacers affect alignment for Porsche Cayenne?
Hey guys, today's video install BONOSS wheel spacers for the Porsche Cayenne.
You will not need an alignment if you just add wheel spacers. The main factor involved in setting the alignment to specification are caster, camber, and toy. Once they are set up properly, the direction and the angles that the tires point in is fixed. Wheel spacers are useful for tire rubbing issues when fitting wider wheels or larger brake calipers. They will have a clearance problem between the wheel and the hub. Wider tires may possibly cause the tires of your car to rub up against the fenders, entangling corners. By creating more clearance for interior suspension components to the wheels. Meanwhile, the hollow design of BONOSS forged lightweight plus wheel spacers reduce over 20% weight than the previous one, making the system work more efficiently. The comfort of the overall acceleration and handling performance is better. The driving is safer.
That's all for today's video. If you want to get this BONOSS wheel spacers, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.